Come on, Jasmine, go, go, Jasmine, go. Go, Jasmine, go. Good job, Jasmine. Keep going.
It's literally falling. I have to push it.
Hey, lumberjack. Hey, snarly teenager.
So, Jasmine,
What are you doing,
No,
Jaden?
you need to do a side stroke, not straight into the thing. You're literally just gliding it. You don't have to push into the... Now, come, bring your right hand towards me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Now, saw. In fast motions. You don't have to push into the tree. See?
There it goes. Timber.
Oh, no.
And I gotta clean that last little bit.
Good job, Jasmine.
Okay, stop.
All right, finish, Danny. You get the last inch.
Make sure my jacket is wet.
Why are my hands purple?
Yay.
Mom, there's purple on my hand.
Yeah, because you actually did hard work. That's why it's purple.
Oh!
They actually spray painted the saw.
Why?
Probably because they were old and rusty.
Good job.
Finding the
No,
field.
blend in with your purple jacket.